Alright, what's Terra unboxing here? Something about yarn. Woolen Yard Swift. What is a woolen yard swift? And what is this thing?
That is a yarn baller.
Yarn baller.
And this is a swift, which is really cool.
Baller means something else, I think. And yarn baller. Oh no, we already ruined it.
I'll get it. Thank you. Let's just do this real quick. What, like the netting?
Yeah, netting's cool. Is that part of it? Is that just keep it from like
safety?
Ah.
I think I could probably use it to store it when I don't need it. Okay.
Okay.
So this is going to go on the table, but first let's unscrew this. That can just sit there. It's okay. I'm going to put that someplace safe later.
It's all good.
So this might just take a second. You want to wait until it's all set up.
No, it's all good.
Okay. Step 1, remove the protective stopper from the end of the metal. Okay. Screw it into these 4 clamps. Okay. So this one,
It's like a giant umbrella.
yeah, goes into the bottom base 4 clamp right here, but I have to screw that in, and then I have to put the stopper in on the top.
Okay.
I'm assuming it's going to be righty-tighty. Yeah,
I would think so.
you'll never know.
And this is going to go on the end.
Because it gets hooked up to the table.
Oh. It's a clamp.
Yeah. Someday over the rainbow. Okay, now the thing about these things is you need space, right? You need like some space. There you go. Okay. To do it, and then you can put it away later. Is it really tidy? Am I still doing tidy there? Yeah. Getting closer. Oh yeah. Okay, good. Nice. Okay, now this one goes into the side. Oh, it's for to make it to the right height. So whatever height you want this to be,
Yeah.
like you can make this up higher.
Sure.
Or, whatever height you kind of want it to be, you can go lower.
Yeah.
So I think I'm just going to put this in now right here.
Yeah.
So this is what the yarn goes on.
Gotcha.
Okay, this is called a swift. Okay, let me get my yarn. I'm going to do just one of these
I
real
feel like I've seen these in like,
Yeah, the yarn stores?
no, like Goodwill or something. And like, what the
Oh,
heck is this?
maybe.
Now I know what it is.
I have not seen them. And this is a hank of yarn. I think they call it a hank.
A hank. Hank.
Okay. And then so you unravel. This is the way a lot of good yarn comes, in like this sort of shape, right?
Mm-hmm.
But to get it undone and get it into a workable situation, it's a pain in the butt.
Hence the Swift.
The Swift. Like I sit there and unravel this all at the table
Yeah.
and drop it down on the floor and all this crazy stuff. And then so I have 2 ends here. I'm gonna cut.
Okay.
There's always sort of these, but some yarns have only one. Some have many. So it looks like this has just one. Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
So then you get this around here, And this is where you have to decide how wide you're gonna go with it.
Okay.
So I'm gonna have to go wider with this. We're gonna put this here for now. So I'm gonna push this up so it's a little wider.
So that's what makes it wider.
Mm-hmm.
And then that's why you have that adjustable screw there to keep it at the height that you want it to be at.
Nice.
Huh.
And then what you do is you just bring this over here to the, oh, I got another one. I gotta check. See. Okay. And then let's see if there's any more. I think that's it. Okay. So you go over to here to this thing, which is lovely. And then you draw the yarn through this to help. This is your like yarn eye. You put this in the slot like so.
Yeah.
And then watch.
Whoa. Oh.
And this turns into a beautiful cone of yarn that you can see.
Oh, look at it. It's like crisscrossing back and forth so it doesn't get tangled.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Okay.
And it turns into this beautiful cone of yarn that you can pull from the outside or the inside.
Yeah. I want to get a close-up of this. Go while you're spinning it. Go ahead.
So
that's why it crisscrosses, because it's lopsided as it spins. That is crazy cool. Okay.
Yeah.
How do you use a yarn winder? Yeah. So you have to have the winder and the Swift work
Yes. I'm gonna do a video
together
too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, Terra by Terra's very first Swift and yarn baller. Because I'm making the investment instead of doing this by hand.
Yeah.
Which can be a pain in the butt. I'm gonna take a picture of that.
Cool.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm gonna go.
So how long does this take?
Not long. And they have all different ones too. They have.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't see the Amish kind that they have at Slickly Yarn. That one is just like 2 bars that cross.
Okay.
And then with posts that come up.
Huh.
I like these ones because it's kind of fun. And then look, I'm going to be done soon. And then this is going to just become this big ball of yarn.
Yeah.
It comes off.
So that's when you buy yarn and it's in that ball already. This is the thing they do on an industrial scale with machines.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
When it's in a skein form,
Yeah.
it's already done. Like this, these are what's called yarn cakes. Like over
Cakes.
here, underneath here,
Yeah.
is a yarn cake.
This is a cake.
Yes, that's a cake.
This is a yarn cake. So that's what you're making.
Yes.
But this
Essentially.
is a skein.
But that's a skein, which works similarly, but I don't know what machine actually does that.
Yeah.
But you can pull from the inside or the outside on those.
Gotcha. It's all these funny names for all this stuff.
Yeah. There's probably like origins. I think some is German.
Yeah.
You know, but the way the yarns come now, when they are made, is in those like funny twisty circles.
Okay.
And you can have a friend, your husband, or whatever, hold the yarn like this.
Your arms up like this. Yeah, I've seen people do that.
Like on Little House
But that's
on
what this is for.
Yeah.
So you don't have to have somebody hold their arms up like that.
Oh, is this still going? Oh shoot, yeah.
Wow, look at how quickly that went. That's pretty good. That's like more than half done probably.
Yeah. Almost done completely.
Yeah, actually, I think you're right. Something really satisfying about watching this too.
I'm gonna take one more photo because the other one. Yeah.
So I want to see it done.
It's almost done.
Okay.
And this is a little skein. Yeah, this is just
right. I mean, there's a limit to like the size of that limits how much you can do, right?
Oh no, you can get some big ones on here. Yeah, probably if it gets too wide, then you
Almost
have
done. Almost done. Here we are. We're done.
Yes.
Oh, that's
Now
cool.
check this out.
That was
Then
like
I
10
can
minutes.
Take this.
From
I can
start to
take
finish.
this off.
Okay.
And then I can pull from the inside.
Or the outside.
Or the outside. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
That is so cool.
Oh, and that's like a really solid form too.
Yeah, and
like
that's the way, you know, if you ever buy string,
Mm-hmm.
string sometimes
Yeah.
comes in this way.
Yeah, twine.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right.
Cool.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Sweet.
If you ever
So
want
yard
to buy
winder
yarn winder
and
Swift.
Swift.
Yes. I'm gonna pull this from
All right,
this
everybody.
one,
See you on the next video.
I think.